What's going on, guys? Corey from PhoneArena here, and as you can see, we're about to unbox the Republic of Gaming phone by Asus, otherwise known as the ROG. Well, let's get right to it. Obviously a pretty interesting box we have here. Kind of just unfolds here, it looks like. All right, quite the packaging. As you can see, you got the ROG phone, the AeroActive cooler, and we'll see what's in here in a sec, but let's pop up this phone first. Get a look at this baby. All right, get the plastic off. And pretty weighty phone. You can definitely feel the metal sides on here. As you can see, you have the GameCool active cooling system here. Some copper vents with vapor chambers underneath, fingerprint sensor, dual cameras, 12 and 8 megapixels with looks like a single LED flash. Definitely take a look at that later. Power button here, USB-C at the bottom, 3.5mm headphone jack. You have your power and volume buttons here, but also on the other side you have this kind of proprietary port, which is basically two USB-C ports kind of just put together, which allow you to kind of hold it in this position and charge while you're still gaming. And let's just quickly power this on, and we'll let that boot up for a little bit. Let's see what else is inside that box. Let's take a look at the AeroActive cooler, which plugs into that aforementioned proprietary port. You can see it's an actual fan with vents and everything. So this logo also lights up with the RGB, and it's a nice little addition to have in the box. Let's see what else we have here. Got your charging brick, two more replacement plugs for the proprietary port, and then USB-C to USB-C cable. So we're gonna set this up really quick and we'll be right back. So yeah, this fingerprint sensor works. It's a little bit skinny, a little flat. It's missing some authentications, but we'll see how it actually plays out in regular day-to-day use. Now here you have the air triggers, which of course we're gonna dive into on the review. Just a really quick look, you can see the squeezable sides where you can tweak the force that's needed. Definitely give this a full look through in the full review. All right, and we're in. You can see a bit of a different user interface. Icons are a bit different. This is actually not Zen UI, but ROG UI, which is gonna have a lot of different components and additions, which we'll of course dive into deeper into the full review, but looks pretty cool so far. Definitely liking the color themes here. Definitely looks nice and cohesive. So really looking forward to diving in and really seeing what this full new ROG UI is like. Definitely one time before we go, gotta see what this active cooler looks like on here. Let's pop this on. Give you a look-see at that. Pretty easy, pretty adjustable right here. Snaps right on. So it looks pretty good. Can definitely feel the air coming off of it already. Something you can tweak within Game Center. Fan speed, colors, all that sort of thing. So that is going to be some really cool stuff to check out. Make sure you stay tuned for a full review on this, the Asus ROG phone. I'm Corey with PhoneArena. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our full review coming soon.